Welcome to the LBank Pay tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through how to use this convenient payment feature. First, download the LBank app from the App Store or Google Play. Search for LBank, download the official app, and register with your mobile number or email. Log in to start. Next, complete KYC verification to unlock higher limits and full functionality. It's recommended for all users. Ensure you have USDT in your spending account. Transfer USDT in advance since LBank Pay uses USDT for payments. LBank Pay requires KYC verification. The app will automatically detect and enable the feature when available in your region. More regions will be supported soon. Check your payment limits in the app. Completing KYC unlocks higher limits for better experience. For payment, scan the merchant's QR code. If it's fixed amount, the amount shows. If variable, enter it manually. Verify order ID, payee, USDT amount, and fee before confirming. If balance is low, deposit more. Enter fund password to pay. After payment, status shows successful. Tap to view details in history. In history, check status and adjust settings like limits or password. Retry failed payments within 30 minutes. Remember fees from channels, comply with local regs, scan trusted QR only, enable 2FA. Contact support if needed. Thanks for watching. Download the app and start using LBank Pay for seamless payments.